Silva held a knife to his neck during a mental health crisis. KXAN's Brianna Hollis continues to follow this case for us. So Bree, just first walk us through this portion of the trial.
So we're in the punishment phase, and the way I like to describe this is it's like a mini trial. Both sides still call witnesses, but instead of those witnesses helping argue whether a person is guilty or not guilty, these witnesses help each side argue their stance of what they think the sentence should be. The sentence range for a deadly conduct charge is 2 to 10 years in prison, but probation is possible if a person doesn't have any prior convictions. Judge Dana Blasey will make that final decision. Another day at the Travis County Courthouse that Christopher Taylor listens to testimony that will determine his fate. First on the stand, Denzel De Silva, Maurice De Silva's father. He spoke about his son moving from Sri Lanka to the U.S. to pursue higher education. Prosecutors asked him about telling his wife their son was dead.
Came on to me and said, "What happened to my son?"
Remaining testimony surrounded the 2020 deadly police shooting of Mike Ramos. You'll remember Taylor was charged with murder in that case, but his trial ended in a hung jury and a subsequent grand jury no-billed him, so he doesn't face any charges in relation to Ramos. The notion of using this evidence prompting courtroom discord, objections on both sides regarding the terms of this. Judge Dana Blasey allowed the state to present it, but said she would decide how much weight to give it. Ramos's mother testified, so did a woman who witnessed the shooting.
I was scared for him.
During the punishment phase, parties can bring in certain evidence that's not allowed during the trial phase, which is why the Ramos case could even get brought back up. The defense also used this as an opportunity to bring up the drugs De Silva had in his system the day he died, as well as Mike Ramos's criminal history, prompting the witness in the Ramos case to address Ramos was known to police.
They pulled up the officers that started screaming his name. It's like he knew him direct.
The state will call its remaining 4 witnesses tomorrow. We do have a little bit of an unusual schedule here. Defense won't call their witnesses until the Monday and Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and we won't know the exact sentence each side is asking for until the final day of this. Daniel?
All right, Brianna, thank you very much. And for some perspective, another APD officer, Carl Crecia, also opened fire on De Silva that day. Crecia and Taylor were both indicted on murder charges. Taylor's was dropped to the deadly conduct charge before his trial. But court records show Crecia still faces a murder charge. His next hearing is in February.